bib on the outside.
We need to get a bigger bib, huh? Oh well, you're gonna get a bat. You wanna try it? Well, let's try it again. How about that? You try it again? Why are you spitting out? It goes in. You're falling over. Look up. Logan. Logan, look up here. Let's look up here. Okay, you ready? Yummy. Are you even getting any? Logan. Bless you. Oh, bless you. You ready? Look it. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. And it was there.
I don't think he said yum, Mommy.
It's good. Open. Open. Logan. Open your mouth. You're like, Mommy, what are you doing? This is not how we eat. Logan. Look. Is it good? Logan.
Yeah. You ready for this? You ready for this? Don't be shy about it.
Were you just sleepy?
You got it all over your nose. What you doing, buddy?
It's just not fast enough. Well, you gotta learn to eat this way.
What you doing? What you doing? Hey. Hey.
Oh, Daddy. Oh, what's he doing? Making you eat with a spoon.
I don't think nothing's going down. You spit it all out. You spit it all out.
Guess we just gotta practice, huh, Logan?
You spit it all out.
Guess we just gotta practice. No?
Is it thick enough?
It's supposed to be watery. The first couple of times until he gets used to it.
You made it your water or formula?
With formula.
I
Mmm.
know you swallowed some that time. Want no more?
Daddy, I'm gonna force it down your throat here.